SABS-Approved safety helmets, hard hats features and standards. Introduction. Safety helmets are a crucial part of PPE designed to protect workers from head injuries caused by falling objects, impacts, and electrical hazards. In South Africa, safety helmets must comply with the South African Bureau of Standards, SABS, to ensure they meet stringent safety requirements. Key features of SABS-approved safety helmets. Impact resistance. Designed to absorb and disperse impact forces. Protects against falling objects and overhead hazards. Rigid shell with inner suspension system for shock absorption. Electrical insulation, for electricians and high voltage areas. Some models provide insulation against electrical shock. Must comply with SANS 1397, Electrical Safety Standard. UV resistance. Most SABS-approved hard hats are made from UV-resistant materials to withstand prolonged sun exposure, ideal for outdoor work. Adjustable suspension system. 4-point or 6-point suspension system for improved stability and comfort. Adjustable headbands and chin straps ensure a secure fit. Ventilation options. Some models include ventilation holes to improve airflow and reduce heat buildup. Ideal for hot working environments. Lightweight and durable materials. Typically made from high-density polyethylene, HDPE, or ABS plastic, offering strength and lightweight comfort. Resistant to chemicals, heat, and impact. Reflective and high visibility options. Available in high visibility colors, e.g. yellow, orange, white, for enhanced visibility. Optional reflective strips for improved safety in low light conditions. SABS-approved safety helmets must comply with the following standards. SANS 1397, Safety Helmets for Industrial Use. Specifies requirements for materials, impact resistance, and suspension system strength. Ensures protection against falling objects and lateral impact. SANS 50365, Electrically insulated helmets. Hard hats designed for electrical work must meet this standard to provide protection against electric shock. SANS 1404, Personal Protective Equipment, Head Protection. Covers additional guidelines on helmet performance, comfort, and durability. SABS-approved safety helmets are widely used in various industries, including construction, protection from falling objects and overhead hazards, mining, impact protection and safety in underground environments, oil and gas, heat-resistant and impact-resistant hard hats, electrical and power generation, electrically insulated helmets for high-voltage areas, manufacturing and warehousing, protection from machinery and falling tools. Conclusion. SABS-approved safety helmets are essential for workplace safety, ensuring compliance with local safety regulations while protecting workers from head injuries. When selecting a hard hat, consider the industry standards, features, and environmental conditions to maximize protection and comfort. Contact us for all your PPE needs.